Hello viewers, we are here with the installation video of CR Digital Door Locks. The CR series digital door locks suits for 35 mm door thickness as well as it fits for both metal and wooden doors. This is lock case, front handle, back handle and a square key. Using the cutout template, first make a new cutout in the door. Install the mortise lock into the cutout made. Tighten the screws. Now, take the front door handle and install it through the mortise lock. Take the back door handle and install it. Tighten the screws. Your CR digital door lock is ready to use. Follow our operation video for more.